Yo, what's up guys? Holla at your boy, it's Carl Romel again, back with another shoe unboxing video. And this time, we're so blessed because we got a shoe from none other than StockX. So, was able to cop this past weekend, or this past week, the Acronym Prestos or Presto mids for just under retail, guys. So let's take a look at the shoe. So the shoe comes like this. Your standard box, no biggie. Just as always, fresh off the box, we got our scissors. So this is actually the first time I'm gonna be seeing these shoes. So literally got it today, and hopefully I can post the video today as well. 21st of February. So the Acronym Mid Prestos. So if you guys don't know, Acronym is a sports technical sort of athleisure wear based on Japan by this dude named forgot the name. Let me look it up real quick, man. Let me look it up. Errol-san Hugh. Shout out to Errol-san Hugh. Acronym's been doing collabs with Nike all throughout the years. The Acronym Air Forces. The first Acronym Mid Prestos actually dropped back in 2016, and they were dubbed as the shoe of the year. You know, if you guys don't know, Jerry Lorenzo, founder of Fear of God, was actually rocking them. Travis Scott and all the other big fashion name designers. Okay, alright. I mean, the shoe, you're getting it for resale, so I'm gonna pull out the shoe real quick. But the shoe is, the box is not the same as you would getting it from the factory, but here's the box. It's a little crunched up, but hey, for under retail. So originally these shoes retail for 200 bucks, and there are 3 different colorways. One that's like the pink and black, pink and white. The other one was the black and white and gray, and then I got the other one, which is the how do you open these, man? They call it dynamic yellow and zebra cage white type of ish color. So like what I said, Acronym is a company based on Germany, found by Errol-san Hugh. They mostly make technical athleisure wear. So the box comes in a standard Nike box, like that. And got it from StockX. Was able to get it just under retail. So paper. Ooh. Alright, I see ya. Hey, so that's the medial side of the shoe. Front side. Lateral side. And the posterior side, the back side. And of course the sole. So these retail for 200 bucks. I got it for just a little under that. So first review, man, this is probably gonna be like a StockX review. So first thing that I noticed, it's just mirror the lighting, but there's a little hint of stain right there at the toe box.
Choose items that spark joy for you.
Spark joy.
But you know, no one's gonna notice unless if you're really looking closely at the shoe. But still, you know, like if you're paying premium price for a pair of resale value shoes, you better get shoes that are well worth it, you know what I'm saying? So both shoes right here, What else is in the box? We got the StockX. So this is actually the second time I bought from StockX. The first one that I bought were the Air Jordan 3s international flights. So don't remember, but them giving me this. But this is pretty much basically you get a receipt, and then you got a their little card right here, right there, so that you know it's official. And then what else is in the box? I think that's it. The paper is kind of ripped. You know, this shoe released back in September 2018. Oh, and the sticker, StockX sticker. And then inside the box, you've got the quality control sticker right there, in there. It's in there. Can you guys see it? In there. Alright. So the box is kind of smushed up on the top here. If you guys see that. But hey, you know what? You're not gonna wear the box, you're gonna wear the shoes. So let's put the box away. Let's see here. So the shoe is a mid Presto. If you guys don't know, Prestos are a classic Nike running shoe, and they actually have a generic or GR released Presto, but this is a collab with Acronym. And from the reviews that I've read and watched, the mid on the Acronym Prestos actually come up a little higher than the GRs. And the reason why I was so drawn to the shoe and not to the other colorways was because it's a shoe that's loud enough but subtle enough where you're not really trying too hard. Because the pink ones, I feel like you can't really rock them every day because, you know, you're gonna get called out because they're too loud. And the black ones that I've seen Joe LaPuma wear in whatchamacallit, in sneaker shopping, they just kind of look too regular for me. So this is why this is like an in-between shoe right here, this colorway. Plus this reminds me like the zebras, the Yeezy zebra type of pattern on the cage. And fun fact, I actually tried to go for those on the second drop, but you know, took an L. So that's why I was drawn to this shoe. On the middle side right here, on both sides actually, lateral and medial side of the shoe, you've got some zippers so that you can rock them, you know, all the way up, or let's see, how do you do this? So there's a snap right there. So you can rock them all the way up as such, or you can, you know, get that athleisure type of loosey-goosey vibes. Take that off like that, so it's like easier to put on, plus you've got that athleisure loosey-goosey vibes. You've got the Acronym branding right there on the medial side, and as well as the lateral side of the shoe right there. Let me freaking get it. There we go. All right, there and right there, mate. Okay, you've got the classic Nike sign right there on the toe box, the zebra pattern on the cage in the back and the front, regular Presto cage in both the lateral and medial side, and as well as the Acronym branding right here on this right where the dorsal side of the foot. So back in 2016, the sizing on these were kind of like t-shirts. They were, you know, sizing as extra small, medium. But the 2018 drop, they just sized them regularly. So I went true to size 9 just to be safe. And can't wait to put these guys on. So the left side of the shoe is just pretty much basically the same, except for the fact that you got the, you know, the classic StockX tag right there. Come on, focus. There you go. Alright. So that's pretty much basically it. On the, you know, both sides of the shoe, you've got this little sort of black plasticky material right there. That's I don't think you see this in the regular Prestos, but pretty much basically that's why I copped the shoes, because they look nice, neat. It's got a little hype to them, and you know, I think they'll be great for traveling, actually, especially when you go through airports and whatnot, because you can just slip them on and off. Plus, it's not a bad deal. They're not actually reselling for that much. You know, like what I said, retail is 200 bucks. I just got it, you know, just under retail, which is a pretty good deal considering the fact that you know, most hyped up shoes you're gonna have to pay like $50, $100, $200 over retail. You know, for example, like the most Yeezys and, you know, the Fear of God ones that just released a month ago, 2 months ago, a month ago. Alright, so let's put these on foot. Oh, forget to mention the inside of the shoes, just this kind of like, you know, regular Presto material. You got leather right here at the heel, Achilles part, and then it on the sole of the shoe right there at the heel part, it says Acronym X Nike Air. So pretty sick shoe. This is such a sick shoe. Alright guys, let's put these on foot.